لازم اشحن موبايلي. معانا كام شنطة؟ الطيارة بكرة الصبح. لازم اغير فلوس. All these phrases are very important phrases you can use in order to be ready to travel. And these phrases are 100% native. We will learn these phrases in this episode. Before I start, don't forget to sign up to my free Egyptian Arabic 101 course and download the ebook. You'll find the link in the first comment and the description box. And let's go to the first phrase. The first phrase, لازم أشحن موبايلي. First of all, موبايلي, you know, from mobile, exactly, the cell phone. موبايلي, my cell phone, okay? لازم, we learned from our previous episode, part 1, which is I must. So you know, I must, لازم, and then موبايلي is my cell phone. أشحن, the verb يشحن, it means to charge. يشحن, say it with me. يشحن. So لازم أشحن موبايلي. I must charge my cell phone. I must charge my cell phone. Say it with me again. لازم أشحن موبايلي. معانا كام شنطة? Here we learn another important question article, which is كام. Okay, كام, it means how many. Okay, how many? So we say كام شنطة معانا or معانا كام شنطة. Both are correct. معانا, with us. So مع, the preposition, it means with, and نا is us. So معانا is with us. مع plus نا. معانا, with us. كام is the question article. How many? شنطة is the bag. Okay, so with كام we have the singular always. So معانا كام شنطة. So we don't say كام شنط, we say كام شنطة. This is different from English when we say how many bags. So usually plural with how many, but in Egyptian we have always singular with how many. So كام شنطة in singular form. So معانا كام شنطة. How many bags do we have? We learn this phrase when we ask about the time of the plane, our flight tomorrow. So we say الطيارة بكرة الصبح. طيارة بكرة الصبح. الطيارة here, it means the plane, the airplane. Okay, which I mean the flight. Okay, الطيارة. بكرة is tomorrow, perfect. And the الصبح is the morning. Okay, from صباح الخير. Remember? صباح الخير, الصبح. Okay, so الطيارة بكرة الصبح, it means simply that the flight or the plane is tomorrow morning. Say it with me. الطيارة بكرة الصبح. الطيارة بكرة الصبح. Of course, you need to change money when you visit a country that does not have your currency. So when you ask this and say I want to change money, it's in Egyptian عايز أغير فلوس. عايز, it means I want. And I want, we can say أنا, which is I, عايز, which is want, or we can remove أنا altogether, and we use this with native speech, removing the I because it's known. So عايز is simply I want. It's the same as أنا عايز. Just remove أنا and it's the same meaning. So عايز. أغير, it means to change. أغير. So change money. أغير فلوس. Money is the فلوس. Money الفلوس or فلوس. عايز أغير, I want to change money. فلوس. Okay? When we say عايز أغير simply without anything, it means that I want to change my clothes. For example, I am going to change from the pajamas to the clothes that I will wear to go anywhere. So أغير هدومي or just simply أغير. Okay, so عايز أغير, I want to change. So يغير, it means to change generally, and أغير فلوس, it means to change money. Okay, عايز أغير فلوس, I want to change money. Our last phrase here is أنت جاهز للسفر؟ Are you ready for traveling? أنت is the pronoun. So you. And now we learn you is أنت and I is أنا. أنا وأنت. I and you. Okay, أنا وأنت. أنتي is for female. You. The spoken Egyptian is gender sensitive. So you male is أنت, you female is أنتي. This is very important. Don't forget this. أنا عايز or أنا عايز. I want. أنت عايز. You want. أنت جاهز. Are you ready? Ready. جاهز. أنت جاهز للسفر. للسفر. For traveling. This is a preposition. It means for. السفر is traveling. للسفر it is plus traveling. To travel. For traveling. So أنت جاهز للسفر. The female version will be أنت جاهزة للسفر. We add this at the end with جاهز and we say أنتي instead of أنت. So أنت جاهز للسفر. Are you ready for traveling? To a male. أنتي جاهزة للسفر. Are you ready for traveling? To a female. Say it with me and repeat it many times until you master it. When I say أنا عايز أشحن موبايلي. أنا عايز أغير فلوس. الطيارة بكرة الصبح. أنت جاهز للسفر? Now you can understand me. You can use all these phrases with native Egyptians, and these phrases are 100% native, as I always promise you with Linguamid. Don't forget also to check the entire channel for many episodes about all situations related to spoken Egyptian. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And very importantly, don't forget, sign up to my free Egyptian Arabic 101 course and download the free ebook. This is your ticket to this amazing world of spoken Egyptian. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot and see you in a future episode.